Hi everyone! Welcome back to Mr. English Class, the place where English becomes simple, fun, and easy to understand. Today, we'll learn something super useful, how to introduce yourself in English, the right way. Many people say the same old phrases like, my name is, or I am from. But today, I'll show you what to say instead to sound more natural, confident, and professional. If you've ever felt shy or unsure about how to start a conversation in English, don't worry. After this lesson, you'll know exactly what to say to make a great first impression, even as a beginner. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to Mr. English Class and click the like button so you never miss new lessons to help you speak English like a pro. Alright, are you ready? Let's get started and learn how to introduce yourself in English like a real pro. When you meet someone new, the first words you say are very important. It's your first impression, so let's make it a good one. Most English learners start with the simple, my name is Ahmed. That's correct, but today, you'll learn how to sound more natural and confident like a real English speaker. Instead of only saying, my name is Ahmed, try saying, hi, I'm Ahmed. Hey there, I'm Ahmed. Nice to meet you. Hello, I'm Ahmed. What's your name? These small changes make your English sound friendly and fluent. Native speakers use short, natural phrases, not full textbook sentences. Here's a quick tip. When you introduce yourself, smile and make eye contact. Your body language is part of your English too. Now, let's look at how to keep the conversation going after you say your name. After saying your name, people often want to know a little bit more about you. So what can you say next? Let's start simple. You can talk about where you're from, what you do, or what you like. Here are some easy examples. Where you're from. I'm from Egypt. I'm from Morocco, but I live in Dubai. I'm from Saudi Arabia. It's a beautiful country. What you do. I'm a student. I work in a cafe. I'm an engineer. What you like. I like football. I love learning English. I enjoy watching movies. You don't have to say everything. Just choose one or two sentences. For example,
Hi, I'm Omar. I'm from Jordan, and I'm a student.
here's a pro tip. Add emotion or a short comment to sound more natural.
I'm from Algeria. It's really nice there. I'm a student, and I love meeting new people.
It's these small details that make your English sound warm and friendly. When you finish talking about yourself, it's polite to ask questions. It shows that you are friendly and want to know the other person too. After you say something like, hi, I'm Rania. I'm from Egypt. I'm a teacher. You can add, what about you? Where are you from? What do you do? Do you like living here? These are short, easy questions and they make your English sound natural. Let's look at a small example.
Hi, I'm Omar. I'm from Jordan.
Nice to meet you, Omar. I'm Sarah. I'm from the UK.
Oh, cool. What do you do, Sarah?
I'm a student. What about you?
See how simple that is? It's like a small tennis game. You speak, then the other person speaks. Pro tip. When you ask questions, smile and use a friendly tone. It's not just what you say, it's how you say it. Now that you know how to introduce yourself and ask questions, let's make your English sound even more friendly and interesting. When you talk about things you like, people feel closer to you because they learn more about who you are. Here are some easy ways to talk about your hobbies and interests.
I like listening to music. I love Arabic songs and English pop.
I like football. My favorite team is Real Madrid.
I enjoy watching movies on Netflix. I like action movies.
I love pizza. I like trying new food. You can also connect your hobby to English learning. I like watching English movies to learn new words. I enjoy listening to English podcasts, like Learn English, Habibi. These sentences help you sound more natural and open. Pro tip, when someone tells you what they like, try to answer with interest. Oh, really? Me too. That's nice. Wow, I love that too. This makes your English sound warm and friendly, just like native speakers. Every good conversation needs a nice ending. You don't want to just walk away. You want to finish politely and confidently. Here are some easy ways to end a conversation in English. It was nice meeting you. Great talking to you. I have to go now, but it was nice to meet you. See you later. Have a nice day. If you want to sound more natural, try combining two short phrases. It was nice meeting you. Have a great day. Good talking to you. See you soon. Pro tip: when you say goodbye, smile and use a friendly tone. Your last words are what people remember, so make them positive. Short example.
It was nice meeting you, Sarah.
Nice meeting you too, Ahmed. See you soon.
Simple, friendly, and perfect English. Now it's time to practice everything we learned today, together. Here's a short conversation between Allie and Emma.
Hi, I'm Allie. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you, Allie.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Where are you from?
I'm from London. What about you?
I'm from Jordan. I live in Amman.
Oh, I've never been there. Is it nice?
Yes, it's beautiful and very sunny.
That's great. What do you do, Allie?
I'm a student, and you?
I work in a school. I'm a teacher.
Wow, that's nice. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading and watching movies. How about you?
I love football and learning English.
Oh, that's cool.
It was nice talking to you, Emma.
Nice talking to you too, Allie. Have a great day.
Repeat the dialogue slowly or practice with a friend. This will help you sound confident and natural. Let's quickly review the steps to introduce yourself in English like a pro one. Start with your name. Hi, I'm Ahmed too. Add a little about yourself. Where you are from. I'm from Egypt. Your job. I'm a teacher. Hobbies. I like football. 3. Ask about the other person. What's your name? Where are you from? What do you do? 4. Add friendly details. Favorite things, colors, food, music. Small comments to sound natural. It's really nice. 5. End politely. Nice meeting you. See you soon. Pro tips: keep sentences short and simple. Smile and speak with a friendly tone. Don't fear mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Practice every day, even just 5 to 10 minutes. Now it's your turn. Step 1. Write your own introduction. Use these sentences. My name is, I am from, I am a, I study, I like, my favorite color is. Step 2. Read it out loud slowly. Step 3. Share it in the comments. Example: my name is Sarah. I'm from Morocco. I like music. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm a student. My favorite color is blue. Extra tip: practice in front of a mirror or with a friend. Confidence comes with practice. Congratulations! You now know how to introduce yourself in English like a pro. Key points to remember: start with your name. Talk a little about yourself. Ask questions. Share friendly details. End politely. Remember, English is about connecting with people. It doesn't have to be perfect. Just try and speak every day. Thank you for learning with us at Mr. English Class. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Now it's your turn. Introduce yourself, speak confidently, and become a PRO in English.